Not kick
I
me.
got out of it once. I'll get out of it again. If you leave me alone.
What?
I did it because I could.
Okay.
I touched her. I touched her like that.
You're more than welcome to go to your friend's house after you get booked, okay?
October 5th, 2025, Nashville International Airport. A gate agent flags a passenger for possible intoxication, and Southwest denies her boarding.
Hands on her like this. No,
Okay,
no,
okay,
like
okay,
this.
okay,
like this.
okay. Let's get close to this.
That's how I put my hands on her.
Okay, let's stop that.
But
Okay.
she's being a mongrel.
Okay, let's stop
Being a
that.
mongrel.
Yeah, information.
Like that. No, she.
All right.
Do I look like a violent woman?
Let's step away and let me get your story. So she run out all around. All right, let's separate
You
you
know
guys.
what? This is a power-hungry little.
Okay, so let's start from the beginning. What happened? Start from very
I went
from
to
the
get
beginning.
on my flight.
Okay.
I've been here for a weekend.
Okay.
My son lives here.
Okay.
I came here for a weekend
Okay.
with women.
Okay.
Yes, we drank.
Okay.
We did.
Okay.
We did music. We did.
You did the normal Nashville thing.
We did the Nash Vegas shit.
Yeah.
Right?
Okay. Fair enough.
Okay.
You came here.
So I'm going home. My husband's waiting to pick me up at the other end.
Okay.
And this goes, I'm not letting you on the plane. And I'm like, what?
Did she tell
Why?
you why?
No,
No. Okay.
no. And I'm like, why? I mean, I'm fine.
Okay.
Ma'am. And she's targeting me because I'm white. She's
Okay.
targeting me because I'm white.
Okay. So have you had anything drink today? Be honest.
Yes.
Okay. How much
Yes.
did you drink here?
Nothing.
Nothing here, but just
Nothing.
in like Broadway.
I had, no.
Okay.
And I had like 3 glasses of wine at his house. He dropped me off here
Okay.
to go home. I mean, this is like really benign
Did
shit.
they tell you your flight was canceled or were you rebooked?
Neither.
Okay.
It's on. And I'm an A-list.
Okay. So
I'm an A-list person. So I went to get on, and the guy goes, well, no.
okay.
Do
So
I
Southwest.
look like I am? I'm mad.
I get it. I get that.
But do I look like I'm super impaired?
I don't make
I
that
am
choice.
not. Just saying.
I don't make that choice. That's Southwest. Southwest is their own private company. They can deny boarding for any reason.
Because I'm a white woman.
Yeah.
I'm a
So-
white woman, and I'm going to sue them.
Okay. So, like I said, they can deny you for any boarding. We can get you rebooked. Where you flying?
Phoenix.
Phoenix?
My husband is waiting
Okay.
for me.
Okay. Okay, I get it.
I'm not
okay,
trying to
stop
be a
hitting.
problem.
Stop hitting me, okay?
Oh, this is what she
Stop
said.
touching me, okay? All right, let me try to help you out. We'll get this figured out, okay? And then we'll go from there, okay?
Thank you. Oh my God. This is so horrible. Horrible.
So, I heard her story. Let me hear your side. This
I
story.
just told this story.
I'm sorry.
Long story short,
Yeah, that's fine.
she was here. I did a call from the off agent at a possible denied boarding or whatever. I go get her, tell her, let's step over here. As I'm getting her, she's already saying, like, no, she got to get on this flight. She A-list. I tell her she have the appearance of intoxication. She was like, I've been on the girl. I can smell it. As soon as she starts, I'm getting dressed myself. And she was like, no, Dad. I was like, step over here. I'm telling her to step over here. She would not. That's when she keep doing me like this, like.
No, you saw what she did, basically.
Yeah,
right?
but no, she hit me.
She hit you,
My
okay.
hand was right there. She was like, yada da, or whatever the case may be. And I was like, man, you're not flying. Don't put your hands on me.
Yeah, fair
or
enough.
whatever. And she was like, no, this. Or whatever. She get on the phone and she hit me with her phone. She like.
She hit you with your phone?
Yeah, like she on the phone, but she talking to her husband, I guess. And she like this. And she like moved me out the way with her body.
You saw it?
Yeah, she kept doing it. They all down there can vouch for it, but she kept saying, you stupid bitch.
We have it on camera,
You know,
too.
yeah. So,
Do you want to press charges? That's up to
What
you.
you think? I don't
It's all right. That's completely up to you.
That is up
If
to
you want to
you.
crush it, that's fine. Obviously, she's not
We'll
going
help you out through the process.
to. No, she's not going to flush.
Okay.
We're going to refund everything.
Refund,
We don't
okay.
want to have any interactions between the two.
Sounds good.
What was the initial issue?
I am gonna f***ing sue Southwest I'm an A-list. A-list person. Do I look like I'm stumbling over drunk? No, I don't. Do I? Do I
I see you're
deserve?
clearly upset. I see you're clearly upset.
I'm f***ing mad.
Okay.
I'm so f***ing
Let's
mad.
keep our voice down, okay?
I can't tell you how mad I am.
All right. Well, let's just try to keep our voice down right now, okay?
You know what?
I hear you.
This is cross discrimination. I am being discriminated against as a white woman traveling. I touched her. I touched her like that.
Yes.
I mean, okay, I'm old. I do those things.
Okay.
No meanness.
What's your name? Explain to you what we're gonna do next, okay? Let's try to get you a hotel. We get a hotel or something,
I don't need a hotel.
or you're gonna have to find a hotel or somewhere to go.
So you're gonna let them throw me off this flight,
So-
even though I am completely sober.
Okay.
You're
So let me
gonna
explain.
Let them throw me off.
It's a privilege to fly, not a right, okay? So, if the airlines decide to deny you boarding, okay, so the airlines decide to deny you boarding, they will have to escort you off. You need to get a hotel, or an Uber to another hotel, or we gotta go.
Because I am a messy drunk, aren't I?
I'm not saying that, but
I mean, honestly, I'm
Okay.
asking you. She said I'm getting disrupted because
Okay.
I've been drinking.
okay. So
Do I look like a messy drunk?
like I said?
No, I don't. Because I'm not.
What are we gonna do? Are you gonna get a hotel or not?
I am.
So you're gonna- Okay, so you're gonna have to get a hotel or somewhere off property, okay? Ma'am, stay with me here. So, what are we gonna do?
I don't know what we're gonna do. I want on my f***ing flight.
Okay, so
I
that's
want to
not
go
happening.
home
I
and
hear
get
you.
in my bed.
I hear you, okay? No one wants you to get home more than us, okay? But
Really? Then what are you doing about that?
I don't work for the airlines.
Well, I think what you should do is say she's not exhibiting.
Okay, so this is what's gonna happen. Whether you're gonna get a hotel
No, I'm not.
or you're gonna go to jail. What would you rather do? I would rather you get a hotel and we'll get you escorted off property. I do not want to take you to jail, but I will.
Maybe
Listen,
what I'll do.
listen.
Maybe what I'll do is go stay with my friend who's.
Okay, now,
Maybe that's what I didn't touch you. Don't
your hands
touch
down
me.
already, okay?
Don't touch me. I didn't touch it. I'm furious.
Okay, man. I've given you the option.
Furious.
I've mentioned it to you several times, okay? So, I'm gonna put your phone down, okay?
No.
Yes.
I called my friend.
You're under arrest.
I
okay?
texted
You are
my
under
friend.
arrest,
For
ma'am.
what?
10:15.
For
Hey,
Everything that just happened traces back to one call a private airline decided she couldn't fly. Airlines are private carriers. Under federal law, they can deny boarding for almost any reason, no courtroom standard required. She called it discrimination because she's white. That claim doesn't reach here. The 14th Amendment restrains government action, not a private airline's boarding call. By her own account, 3 glasses of wine before the airport, then a disagreement with a gate agent. A-list flyer status doesn't override Southwest's call on her condition. Then it stopped being just a boarding dispute. The gate agent reports being bumped, then struck with a phone. If she presses charges, that contact likely clears Tennessee's assault threshold. Intentional contact causing apprehension of injury, nothing more required. Refusing lawful directives and raising her voice in a public terminal adds disorderly conduct to the list. Officers offered the same choice twice: a hotel or a ride to jail. She kept talking. She took neither. 10:15 a.m., she's placed under arrest.
what?
Take it back. Do not resist. Do not resist. Do not try to hit me.
Stop it. I did nothing. I did nothing. I looked at my phone. You guys are such relaxing assholes.
okay?
Relax.
I'm
Not
not
resist.
gonna relax
Relax.
at all.
Relax.
I am not gonna relax.
Relax. Stop.
You're gonna hurt a 64-year-old woman.
I've given you
Good
options.
for f***ing you.
I want you. I tried.
I said I'm gonna call my friend and go to their house.
All right.
is what I said.
And I've given you several options, and I gave you
And
several
I
times.
said,
I gave you,
I'm going to go to their house.
and I've told you several times, and you weren't listening, okay? So, we're at this point now.
You guys are making a big mistake. Can you please pick my watch up
Yes,
off the floor? And can you please don't lose it?
It will be placed in your bag. That bag will be going with you to jail.
To jail.
Yes, correct. You are going to jail. Let's go.
Isn't that nice?
Hey, Cody,
You
where's your
really
car
want
at?
to
It's
jail?
not what we want to do.
I want to go to my friend's house. I don't want to go to a hotel.
And
I want to go to my friend's
I've expressed
house.
it several times to you, okay? And you were not listening.
You're not listening to me.
Okay.
I said, I will go somewhere. I want to go to my friend's house. And that's what I was looking for on my phone because I said, shit's going nutty here.
Well, you're more than welcome to go to your friend's house after you get booked, okay?
What the hell's wrong with you people? I mean, honestly,
Very patient and calm with
you
okay?
haven't.
I have. I'm sorry.
I'm not trying to resist you. I'm not. I want you to test me.
You just try to hit my honesty, okay?
I tried to hit you when you handcuffed me. Because you know what? I really don't
Hey,
like.
Cody, where's your car? This one. We're walking.
Can you please,
Let's go.
please keep it? Keep it all, people. Keep it all. This is absolute
waiting line. We just got a call from Metro. Yeah, just down this stairwell. Waiting line.
Down this way, man.
Fastest way, maybe just stairwell to the right.
Okay.
What?
That's good. Do not pull away from me.
Don't go. Speak to me. You f***ing little quit. You know, you think you're young, man. You're not. You're
Stop pulling me. Let's go.
f***ing not. Search me? Go ahead. I don't have a bra. I have underwear on. I don't have a bra. Go ahead. And
Sorry.
let f***ing go of my...
No, I will not. You want to get help you out here or what?
You know, my daughter and her husband both went to the police academy.
Great. What part? What city? Okay.
And can you let go? You're hurting me.
Chances for that, okay?
I'm mad.
I hear you.
I'm mad.
I hear you.
That
I would
you're
be mad.
treating me so disrespectfully.
Just sit right there for us, please.
Oh, isn't that nice?
Okay, I'm gonna
I'm in.
buckle you in.
Yep.
All right.
You don't have a hobble just in case.
Yeah, we're fine. Tried.
She's kicking the door.
She's kicking the door. We're going to have a hobble. You have hobbles? Okay, hold up. All right, man. Stick your feet out this way. If you kick me, you will catch another charge. Do you understand?
I'm not kicking anybody.
All right, so stick your feet out this way.
What is
Ma'am, I'm asking
wrong
nicely,
with you
nicely.
people?
I will
What
put
is
this on
wrong with you?
one way or another. Do you want to make it easy on yourself? Put your feet out this way for me.
Oh my God.
Thank you.
Little f***ing twit. Okay, there you go.
Thank
Are
you. I
happy?
appreciate it.
Oh, isn't that nice?
Sam, this is for your safety, okay?
It's not for my safety.
Well, we don't want you to get hurt
Can you
kicking
put
the door.
my shoe back on my foot, please.
We don't want you
No,
hurting
it needs
yourself,
to go
kicking
up
the back
hill.
seat or anything like that, okay?
It needs to go up the hill. Does this make you all feel really
Sorry.
powerful?
Absolutely not.
I hope so. I hope this makes you all feel powerful. And I'm sure your moms are all so proud. My daughter's a cop. This would make me so f***ing proud.
Well, tell her thank you for her service, okay?
Yeah, you know what? I need to call my husband.
You'll call your husband in jail.
When are we going there?
If you do not kick me, if you do not kick
I
me.
got out of it once. I'll get out of it again. If you leave me alone.
What?
Leave me alone. Just take me wherever you're gonna take.
Ma'am, this is going on you because you keep spinning.
No.
Golden,
No.
can you get on the other side and help me out?
Not do it.
Just sit up.
No. No.
Sit up.
No.
Sit up.
No.
Yeah, I got it.
No.
I got it.
Is that not a sister?
No, she tried to kick me.
Got out of everything you put me in, you dumb shit.
Well, good job. Call another charge.
Put on
Why do you want me to hook this?
If you wouldn't have slipped your cuffs, you would have gotten the more comfortable ones. So
Dude, I did it because I could.
okay, there you go.
And you know what? And I did nothing. I didn't try and escape. I didn't try and get out. I didn't try and hurt anybody.
Okay.
I just showed you I could.
Okay, well it is what it is.
Okay.
She resists the moment the cuffs go on, after kicking at the patrol car door officers add a hobble restraint. Under Graham versus Connor force is measured against what a reasonable officer knew in that moment, and every escalation here follows something she did first. Somewhere in transport, she slips one handcuff loose. I did it because I could. Under Tennessee law, that's not passive noncompliance. Evading arrest is its own separate charge, stacked on top of everything else. By the end of this footage, the exposure includes disorderly conduct, resisting arrest, evading arrest, and potentially assault. Primary Officer B-. He names the airline's authority correctly and offers real alternatives more than once. But the arrest lands right after she agrees out loud to call a friend. A timed ultimatum on record would have made this cleaner. Secondary Officer B.'s calm hands clear instructions during the hobble. No reaction to the insults aimed at him. The subject D. Every option offered gets refused. Every charge added is a choice she made herself. The lesson here is simple. A private airline's boarding decision isn't something an officer can override. And resisting an arrest you believe is unfair doesn't make it lawful. It just adds a charge. If you want more bodycam breakdowns like this, subscribe as we post every week. Tell us in the comments, was the hobble restraint justified here or one step too far?